Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT6 and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card and SD card into this device. Now before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that there might not be an SD tray. I don't know yet. I'm going to pop it out in a second. And number two is that you do need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you can just use a paper clip and it should work just as well. Next, if you have a case on your device, you will need to take it off. There we go. And the tray is located at the bottom. Now, based on the size, I can already guess that there is no expandable storage, so the SD card just kind of will not be going anywhere. And yep, so this is a dual SIM card tray. You can place SIM card on either side. And place one. Make sure it's clipped in correctly. It should not be protruding from the tray whatsoever, and if you flip it over, it should be staying in there. Next, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. Come on. There is a pin on it, so I'm kind of waiting for that to show up, unless I put in the wrong SIM card. I think I did. It just popped up with the message. So we have SIM icon right here that there isn't one. Oh, there we go. So it's looking for reception. So it is detecting it, and I just popped in a SIM card that doesn't have a pin. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.